Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the issue of being unable to add a DNS record to GoDaddy. Alright, let's begin. If you are unable to add a new DNS record in GoDaddy, the most likely reason is that your domain is using custom name servers. To fix this, open GoDaddy and go to Domain Management. Select the domain where you are experiencing the issue. Next, check your name server settings. If you see that custom name servers are being used, change them back to GoDaddy's default name servers. Click Change, select the GoDaddy default option, and then click Continue to save the changes. Once updated, refresh the page a few times. Now go back to the DNS settings, and you should be able to add new records without any issues. So that's basically how you can fix the issue of being unable to add a DNS record to GoDaddy. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.